To turn on or off live caption from the volume control in Samsung Galaxy S23 Ultra, first you have to enable live caption in volume control option within the live caption setting. To do so, swipe down the top of the screen and then tap setting icon. Scroll down the screen to find accessibility. Tap accessibility and then tap hearing enhancement. Tap live caption, scroll down the screen, and then tap the gray on off switch next to live caption in volume control to enable this option. When the switch turns blue, it means that this option is on and your phone will show the live caption icon on the volume control. To know how it works, open volume control by pressing the volume up key or down key, followed by tapping more icon on the volume bar. And then tap live caption icon at the top left of the volume control to enable or disable live caption. Okay, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.